I hope you guys all are doing fantastic. I will straight go to the problem and do some troubleshooting with you. So the problem is, recently I see that inside the ChatGPT I cannot open any PDF file. Anytime I'm trying to open it, I'm hitting this content is blocked. Contact the site owner to fix this issue. So I verified that PDF file is completely okay. It can uses its OCR technology to read this. So how did I verify it? I gave exactly this command: read the PDF file now from this project directory. No random injection or self assumptions. Must do the following: file counts, that means how many files are there, file type and format, cite each extracted section using file site markers. Let's copy this, and these are the files. Remember, whenever I'm clicking it, Chrome is blocking it. So again, it is not a problem with the file type, it is a problem with the browser's security settings. But let me see. If you see, it confirmed verified from the live directory you provided, project directory, verified via file search result, no missing or hidden files. So this is the PDF of my resume. So from there it has cited this, and that matches. This is the certification details, and this is a project in document file. So then why we are encountering this problem? Solution is very simple. After an update, Chrome most of the time changes its security behavior. If you used saved as PDF or downloaded all or install a PDF extension, Chrome sometimes assumes that you prefer downloading, not opening directly. Sometimes if there is any extensions or AV software blocks embedded content. Embedded content means a mini PDF application integrated with the browser. So Chrome has also its PDF viewer. It is not a full application, but it can read PDF, it can open PDF. Same way, if we go to the settings here, Chrome settings, content, PDF documents, if you notice, it has been automatically toggled to download PDFs, not open in Chrome. So if we switch it, do a refresh, go to that project file again, try to open it, alhamdulillah, it fixed. Thank you.